Hello, good evening everyone. Again, we will be discussing about the chapter trigonometry. The most important question. Observe ಮಾಡೋಣ first. Sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta equal to 2 divided by sin square theta minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Right hand side terms complete sin term sin in terms of it is sin. Let us try to convert left hand terms in terms of sin. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin θ plus cos θ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin θ minus cos θ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ LCM ತಗೋಬೋಣ. It will be here, it will multiply with sin θ minus cos θ, sin θ minus cos θ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ LCM plus sin θ plus cos θ, LCM ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು sin θ plus cos θ whole divided by, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. I can write sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, fine. Let us continue. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Two times same terms ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾನು ಈಗ sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Here also I can write plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square divided by as it is sin square theta plus minus cos square theta. Now ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, a minus b whole square, ಇದು a plus b whole square. Let us split the terms. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now sorry, minus 2ab, here it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta as it is. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta will get cancels. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, there also it will convert it into 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta, 2 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now already we got RHS in terms of 2 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta, but I need to convert cos square theta in terms of sin theta. Now 2 divided by sin square theta, cos square theta can be written as using identity 1 minus sin square theta, 2 divided by sin square theta minus into minus plus sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta minus 1. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS.